So when I'm working on these Ford pickups, especially 6.0s and 6.4s, I usually like to stick with Ford oil filters and especially fuel filters. We'll get to the fuel filters in a separate video. But this here is a Ford oil filter that was in it. And if you can see, there's kind of a check valve in this standpipe here. And that, if it'll go, that releases the standpipe so it goes up and down. So this Ford filter goes down in there. Now, we'll take this Wix filter, brand new, and it won't go down in there. I tried it with the cap on too, and it just wouldn't work. So this Wix filter is not getting used. Customer brought it. I thought I'd put it in there, but nope, not using that. We'll get some Ford filters for this thing. Back to this whole filter situation. Here's our new Ford filter. What's the deal here, Wix?